welcome to the top paddock at sunset or sundoon, which will become appropriate at some point. Today, what are we making? We're making this case here. This is just a zippered knitted pencil case. It's a quick, easy project. It's just knit stitches and purl stitches, and it's textural and it's cool. You can follow along for the rest of the tutorial. Follow the link below for the actual written pattern, but it's not going to take you very long at all. And then what you're going to have is something that's fun to touch. Let's be completely honest, that's what we all want in a pencil case. Welcome back to school. So this pattern I know is the hurdle stitch. It might be known as something else, but it's alternating rows of, well, there's 4 rows. The first row and the second row are really simple. In fact, they're all really simple. The first row, what we've got here is that we are just going to knit and then purl all the way across the rows. This is basically your knit 1, purl 1 rib stitch. So we just knit a stitch and then we purl the following stitch, and then we knit the next stitch and then we purl the following stitch. We do this on both sides. Now this pattern is actually reversible, so it does make a good scarf if you want to turn this into a scarf. Now rows 3 and 4 are slightly different and easier again. Now these 2 rows, all we're going to do is knit every single stitch. Now what I like about this hurdle stitch pattern is that it's really simple and easy to count. It's not boring, because right when you get bored with doing the knit 1, purl 1, repeat, you get to do 2 rows of straight knit. And then before you can lose boredom there, you've got on to the next bit. The most exciting part after that is because it's reversible and it's really easy to count your rows, you can just count each row of ribs and you've got 4 rows. Here we are just knitting along. What we need is 20 centimetres in length. Here I'm up to about 19, so 20 centimetres in length is a good one for a pencil case, I've found. But keep going if you just want to make a scarf. Then just stitch the zip right on the very top. I chose a long zip so that I could go around sideways and have like a bigger opening, but there we go. It's done. I have not stitched on particularly neatly. You do want a very sharp needle to do this because zips are notorious. But there it is. It's a simple task. It took maybe an afternoon, and there it is. It's really cute. It's nice and textural, and this is where I'm going to be keeping my pens and pencils for a wee bit. I do like this zip. It's got like a little loop on the top of it, making it easy to open and close things. There, and there's a pencil. Yes, so useful. So useful indeed. All right, catch you up next week. Bye.